What's up, fam? I'm your K-Food maestro with 11 a.m. subs and a 10-year veteran scriptwriter's soul. Today, we're tackling the king of holidays, the fail-proof masterpiece.
Welcome to the pre-show. Our secret is sugar, the ultimate tenderizer. Now, let's get our ingredients. And our pot is ready.
Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm making my magic sauce. First, blend the pear, onion, and water. Now, we strain it for a pure, smooth juice. And there it is, the magic sauce.
Hi everyone, I'm Licorice, and for my next recipe, I have a secret tip. Secret tip number 2. For that addictive, deep umami soul, use 3 slices of licorice. It'll transform your dish. Thanks for watching.
Dried red chili, 2 pieces. Secret tip number 3. To kill the greasiness, just add them to your dish. They absorb the grease. Your meal will be lighter and healthier. A simple trick for better cooking. Rinse the slow-thawed ribs in cold water twice to remove bone fragments. No need for a long soak, we're moving fast.
Dissolve sugar in boiling water and drop the ribs in. The osmosis effect makes the meat insanely tender. Boil for 5 minutes, then rinse in cold water. This seals out any gamey smells.
Blend the pear and onion, then squeeze through a cloth to get that crystal clear juice. Mix in the soy sauce, mirin, brown sugar, garlic, and ginger. This is liquid gold, folks.
Rib sauce, licorice, and dried chili into the pot. Keep it at medium heat. High heat makes meat tough. Cover and simmer for 40 mins until the flavor reaches the bone. Drop to low heat. Add the rounded carrots, chestnuts, mushrooms, and jujubes. Cover for another 30 mins. The veggies will melt into the sauce's sweetness. Remove the licorice and dried chili. Their job is done. Now, toss in the green onions and peppers. Let them simmer for 10 minutes. For that vibrant color and a kick of spice.
Heat off! Drizzle sesame oil, a dash of pepper, and a shower of sesame seeds. Look at that shine! Perfect. What a glossy finale. Finally, the legendary So-galbi-jjim is served. Behold the perfect pairing. Now for the first bite. Whoa, slippery, a little spill, NBD. Let's dive in, shall we? I grab a rib. The meat literally slides off the bone.
It's so tender. The licorice depth is insane.
Sir, say more lines. Talk about the texture.
I don't hear him. I'm shoveling rice into the bowl, drenching it in that thick, savory sauce.
It's so good, I forgot I was filming. Don't edit this out. This is the raw truth. Look at this kitchen. It's perfect for creating masterpieces. This is the raw truth. No edits!
I don't even care about the stain. I'm scraping the bottom of the pot with my spoon. Okay, wrap it up. Cut. But I'm still chewing.
Seriously, make this for the holidays. It's worth the laundry bill. My shirt is doomed, but my stomach is happy. If you enjoyed watching me ruin my clothes for good food, hit that subscribe and like button. Catch you in the next one.